Why HOTOR Car Trash Cans are a must-have for car owners. In our fast-paced lives, keeping our vehicles clean and organized is often a challenge. The HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid, offered in a convenient 2-pack, emerges as a game-changing solution for car owners. Measuring at a compact 8.1 x 3.6 x 3.6 inches, this nifty accessory proves its versatility by finding a place in various nooks and crannies of your vehicle. Whether you decide to place it in the cup holder, car door pocket, or seat back pocket, this car garbage can is always within arm's reach to help you keep your car tidy. But the utility of the HOTOR Car Trash Can doesn't end with your vehicle. Its sleek and unique diamond-shaped design makes it equally at home on your desktop in the office or any room in your house. Use it as a trash can or a handy organizer, the choice is yours. The flip-open lids are a practical addition. Simply push to open, and they will automatically close, effectively sealing off unpleasant odors. This feature ensures that your car stays fresh and inviting no matter how long you're on the road. HOTOR provides car owners with a total package. Each set of HOTOR Car Trash Cans includes 30 perfectly matching disposable trash bags. These durable bags are designed to withstand even heavy use, preventing breakage and leaks. When the trash can is full, you can quickly and easily replace the used trash bag with a new one in a matter of seconds, ensuring an uninterrupted clean space. Durability is a key feature of HOTOR Car Trash Cans, thanks to their premium ABS material construction. This material guarantees that your trash cans are sturdy and built to last, making it a wise investment for the long term. If you appreciate fine details, you'll love how the HOTOR Car Trash Can complements your style. Its elegant and unique diamond-shaped design adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle, making it an excellent decorative addition for cars, homes, and offices. Moreover, these trash cans are designed to handle wet waste, with waterproof material and a leak-proof design. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the smooth interior. When it gets dirty, simply remove the lid, rinse it, and wipe it clean with a dry towel. To sum it up, the HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid is a stylish, versatile, and functional solution for maintaining a clean and organized vehicle. With its durability and elegant design, it's not just an accessory but a statement of your exquisite taste. Keep your car, home, and office clutter-free with this essential car gadget for car owners. HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid, a compact, stylish solution for a cleaner drive.